a sinner for the things I've done. Born with a heart of stone.
Day number 2. Let's go chasing again. What are you doing, little guy?
Then I'll leave this town. If you're standing in my way, I'll cut you down. You can't tame.
Alright, I found this bad boy. So that tomcat's out here somewhere. I don't know what I want to do today.
Yeah, I'm probably just gonna glass mostly, because we've been beating feet these last few days pretty hard. Let me just kind of bow hike, glass, kind of relax a little bit, kind of see what the deer are doing now. We kind of threw them out of their habits.
Well, I'll be back around 1-ish, and I don't know what I'll do actually, because I don't think I'll come to camp, but I'm going to come down that hill right over there. I'll probably come down. If I don't see you around this area, I mean, I might try and send you a message, but just plan on meeting up at the water point at 1.
Yeah,
and if not,
down there.
I'm going to get water and I'm going to come back here and I'm going to glass from here midday and then try and get an evening plan ready.
Sounds good to me.
All right. The wind's actually blowing hard this direction, so I might have to go up the hill and then go east. That's what I'm gonna do. So it's starting to rain off and on, so I moved down just a little bit more from where I was at, and just to get some shelter within the pines, just in case it starts to rain again. Nature's not easy, man. We are up here hunting, and there's other creatures up here hunting as well. So, not only are we competing with our prey, but something else is preying on them as well. It's what hunting's all about, though. Humans aren't the only ones hunting. Day 3, a little bit of rain. It's not really a bad thing because it'll make the ground soft. We're going to work our way through these pines. Well, I am. I don't know about you guys.
especially being up high. But I'm tucked away in this nice little tree shelter. Comes down. I have a rain cover. I'll cover everything up in if I need to. I let Austin wear my somewhat rain-resistant jacket to warm him up this morning. So hopefully he's doing well up there. Getting hailed on right now. It's died down a little bit, but it'll make the ground softer. Hopefully that buck is hunkered down below. And hopefully he'll just hang out for a minute. There's some lightning and I'm pretty high up on the mountain, so I'm gonna stay hunkered down just for safety. See how this ends up. But I'm just gonna hunker down, wait for the storm to pass. It's usually some pretty good hunting once everything calms down after a rainstorm, so just sit tight and wait it out. Never did find that deer. Once that rainstorm hit, he must have either hunkered down or took off somewhere else. It took me 3 hours to go from about where that hill is over there to here in these pines. I was moving so slow. Let's go glass up this knob over here. Pandora offline. Good old Joe Rogan podcast while we're watering up. Whoop. That's how we're doing it. It's been a rainy, kind of, not a very bad rainy day, but it's been a pretty gloomy day. Like, it looks a lot later than it is.
Yeah, this is that rain that I like. Sometimes you just need something to do, and it's kind of our chore for the day.
Yeah, passes the time.
I think there's no gators in the water.
Constantly, like lions would jump out while you were eating at Walmart, yeah. Or while you're buying food.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got it pretty easy, man, you know?
In their actual existence. Yeah. Sitting by a river that they need its water for life, and the water is infested by monsters who are actively targeting them for food.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Yeah, it's crazy. That'd be like if somebody was looking out for the gator.
They say the pot of gold is at the end of the rainbow.
Well, it's literally right there. Let's go! So it seems how I can't decide. We're going to let nature decide, and hopefully nature will make the best choice. We're going to have the rock. The flat side is down in the flats, and the rock hilly side is up on the hill. There's buck in both areas. I just can't decide which one's going to be best tonight. So we're going to do best out of 3. Okay? Alright. Go ahead. Alright, that's mountain. There's one for the mountain. Go ahead and flip it again. One for the flat. So whatever this one is where we're going. Mountain. Let's get it. Well, the nature rock flip turned up nothing. That's alright. It's all part of the game. When you're in this vast of country, chances of you seeing deer and elk all the time, you know, it's
Some call me a sinner for the things I've done. Born with a heart of stone, fast with a gun. I'm here to get mine, then I'll leave this town. If you're standing in my